David, Altech.
Yes. Well, I do know a bit about this company, and I must disclose that I am a shareholder, a long-term shareholder. I'm taking the view on this company. So I do know a lot about it. I like this company very much. They're in the right sector, which is they produce high purity alumina, which is 99.99%. It's one of the few companies in the world which is used for synthetic sapphire, which is using LED lights and on your phone screen, so it's scratch resistance, and also as coating on the what do you call it, those separators for lithium-ion batteries as well, so that it's heat resistance and it also extends the life of the battery. So there's a huge use for it. The company has got a huge deposit of 30-year supply of kaolin deposit in Western Australia. They're building a plant in Malaysia. The capital cost is approximately 79 million. They've done the banking, the BFS banking feasibility study. They've got a German bank, government-sponsored German bank, that I think is going to be putting up most of the funding for that. They've ticked all the boxes and everything. But what I like about it is the growth outlook of the product itself. So you can't make LED lights and you've got to have this coating. You've got to have this high purity alumina, and they're one of the few companies in the world that will be producing, probably in early 2018. But the outlook and the earnings forecast, the net present value, the market cap is about 30 odd million, around 11.5 cents. They have been up recently to 21. And the net present value of the project is around 357 million. So their EBIT for the next 10 years, they've got an offtake agreement with Mitsubishi. So to produce 4,000 tonnes per annum, which is what the plant will be producing at, with a 61% margin. So I know all the numbers, as you can tell. And it's 56 million EBIT before tax and depreciation. So it's got a great internal rate of return of around 33%. So it's a high growth area, and the demand right now for high purity alumina is going to go for 25 million tonnes, I believe. Up to 2024, the figures I saw were around 87 million, 88 million tonnes. So it's significant growth. And the company's expected...
How are they capitalised? Are they...
30 million.
About 30 million.
Yeah.
How much cash, though?
Well, they've got only a small amount of cash.
But they've already got the banking feasibility study.
That's right. I think the final approval comes through next month. But they've got the offtake agreement, and everything's passed the feasibility test for the plant. So I like it. It's a growth story and in the right sector. And high demand product.
Okay, there's some pretty interesting